In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return Amazon items for a refund. Returning items bought online can often feel like a daunting task, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll see just how straightforward it can be. Let's dive right in and make this process as hassle-free as possible for you. First, start by going to the Amazon website. Simply type in amazon.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll need to sign in if you haven't already. To do this, click on the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Now enter your email address or mobile number associated with your Amazon account and click Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Once that's done, click the Sign In button and you'll be taken to your personalized Amazon homepage. With access to your account, the next step is to navigate to your order history. For this, look towards the top right of the page and click on Accounts and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll want to select your orders. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all your past purchases. Browse through your list of orders and locate the specific item you wish to return. Once you've found it, you'll see a button labeled Return or Replace Items. Click on that. This will bring up a new page where Amazon will ask you to select a reason for your return from a list of options. Make sure you select the one that best reflects your reason for returning the product. After choosing the reason for your return, you'll need to decide whether you'd prefer a refund or a replacement. If you choose a refund, Amazon will process this back to your original payment method once the return is initiated. If you opt for a replacement, they'll send you a new item once they receive your returned one. Amazon makes the return process flexible by offering various return methods. You can either drop off your item at a local return center or have it picked up, depending on what services are available in your area. As you proceed, Amazon will provide specific instructions tailored to your chosen return method. This may include printing a return shipping label, repackaging the item securely, and scheduling a pickup at your convenience. Finally, it's crucial to follow these instructions carefully to ensure your return is processed smoothly. Whether you are dropping off the package or waiting for a scheduled pickup, double check that the item is packed according to Amazon's guidelines. Once your package is on its way, you can rest easy, knowing your refund or replacement will be handled. And that's it, you've successfully navigated through the process of returning an item to Amazon. With a bit of practice, this will become second nature, making your online shopping experience all the more pleasant. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide proves helpful the next time you need to return something on Amazon.